Okay, note to self, never do that with while filming ever again. Hello, Curbside Podcast. It's your boy Andrew here. Exciting day, as you can tell. Yesterday, I tried recording this video, but it was a total epic failure because I tried recording on my Canon T1i, didn't know how, or forgot how to use it. Lighting was all bad, focus was bad. Plus, I was too excited about my wheels showing up. You can see back there. Like Jeffrey mentioned in the last episode of the podcast, I did get new shoes for the Evo. They are the Rota grids. 18 by 9.5 plus 20 offset. I think they're gorgeous. The color is amazing. It's like a very subtle blue. It's like gray almost. I know they're Rotas. People will say what they will say about Rotas. Hating on Rotas is kind of like the internet hating on Nickelback, in my opinion. It's like it's cool to hate on Nickelback, and like I did a little bit of research. They make good quality wheels, and I think the biggest gripe that people have with them are actually that they just copy other people's designs. And based on a video that I watched from Fitment Industries, Rota goes by this, it's called their 20% rule. They have like a 20% variance of like design compared to like the originals. Their design of the Rota grid is about 20% different than the TE37. Based on reviews and a little bit of research that I did, Rota does all kinds of testing on their wheels, and their quality control is pretty decent. But I guess we'll see. Maybe I'll turn into a Rota hater if they crack and destroy my Evo. So obviously, if you can't tell, I'm really excited about the wheels. For some reason, I told myself that I wouldn't be mounting them immediately, but I got them yesterday and we're gonna get them mounted today. I always play myself like that. So here's the box they came in. Obviously I opened it already. I couldn't wait. Let's go ahead and do a re-unboxing for you guys. There's cardboard and more cardboard. This cardboard lid, and then this little hairnet. And there you go, Rota grids in the slate blue colorway. In the sun, this color looks amazing. I think this will look really good on the white. Very clearly a TE37 rep. Quality, honestly, on the finish and everything is pretty good. And they're a lot lighter than I thought they would be. I thought these were gonna weigh like a million bricks. Ugh, can't get over this color. Look how wide this thing is. Oh my God. Planning on mounting my stock tires, the 245s. On these should be fine. I've stretched a 215 on this 17 by 9 BRZ wheel before, so this should be a pretty mild stretch. Gonna go ahead and start removing the stock wheels on the Evo so we can take these to the tire shop, get the tires mounted onto the Rotas. Hopefully they fit well. My roommate Tyler is gonna take me to the tire shop, so shouts out to him for helping me out. Let's get to it. Sweet, this is the last one. I'll roll it over to my roommate Tyler's truck. I'll head over to the tire shop. Oh shit, get over the lugs, stupid. I was gonna record you being really strong and putting this into the truck.
You're lucky I don't make you fucking wheel these things down there with a stick.
That's my sexy roommate Tyler.
I'm sexy. My mama told me.
Let's go.
Style.
Back from the tire shop. They should have it done by the end of today, so hopefully that's the case. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean up the hubs here. Just around here, there's a little bit of rust. Gonna clean that all up in preparation for the wheel. I have a metal brush somewhere. Oh, here. I have metal brushes. I'm gonna use those and brush the rust off. So Tyler was saying at least 7 scratches on the wheels, so we'll see how 5-star auto service did.
More like 7 stars.
Let's see what it do. Tyler, what do you think? Alright, Tyler has no words because they're so beautiful. Alright, let's go home.
That shit cute.
That shit cute. 5-star. Definitely killed it. And that is why everyone needs a truck, or at least a good friend like Tyler with a truck. Shouts out again to Tyler, you the man. Love you, buddy. I'm out of breath. They're a lot heavier with the tires on. Got all 4 tires and wheels in the garage. Running the stock 245 40 18 tire on it. It's a slight stretch, but nothing crazy. 5-star auto repair, absolutely killed it. No scratches whatsoever, and the pricing was amazing. If you're in the Belmont or Peninsula area, in the Bay Area, definitely check them out if you need anything done, especially wheels or tires. Let's get these suckers on. So I'm gonna start with the back because this is where my main concern is. You can see here, here's the stock fender lip. They're not rolled, and I've heard, I don't know, a lot of people roll these to fit anything over, I don't know, 9.5, 10.5, but let's see. I'm excited. Make me look like a bitch right now. Oh my God. That's amazing. Put these on. Oh man. That is, look how close that is. I'm so worried about this. It is really close, but it looks awesome. The color looks really good on here. So first wheel on, that looks pretty dang good to me. Love the concave. The tire's a little thick, but that's what I got. Look at that poke. Oh my God. Hopefully I don't have to roll fenders. I've been told by numerous Evo guys that it doesn't need it, but I don't know. Theoretically, these front ones should fit a little bit better. Oh, I'm hoping when I drop this, it tucks under the fender. It's hard to tell right now. Oh, got all 4 wheels mounted up. The rears are torqued down to spec. The fronts are not yet, but oh man, here we go. Kind of nervous. Let's see what it do. Oh, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh my God. Woo! Dropped that a little too quick. Okay, note to self, never do that with while filming ever again. Fuck, that scared the shit out of me. Let's not do that ever again. I lucked out there. I'm gonna drop this side slowly. Fuck me. Oh boy, we're done. See, I do know how to control a jack. That was just, that was a fluke. That was terrifying. Okay, dropping the sight had me so shook. Oh my God, that could have been so bad. I don't know what happened. The handle was just loose or something, and that thing fucking flew down. I'm glad everything is fine. Never again. Torque these suckers, and then be all good. All right, we're good. Let's pull this baby out. Sweet, got the Evo rolled out. I'm really happy with it. Look at that. The blue looks really, really good under the sun. Camera doesn't do it any justice, but look at that. But again, that is probably going to be an issue, but we'll deal with that later. But I'm probably going to go down to speed element next week or something, get an alignment, maybe camber out the back a little bit more. But yeah, anyway, super happy with it. I'll give you a quick walk around. So I think that's going to do it for the video. I'm definitely going to go drive this thing around, see what kind of fitment issues we have. Again, super happy with the wheels. The color actually, like, it's almost like a kind of shifts color. Kind of looks gray sometimes, the blue, and then something in the dark, it's like it almost looks black. So super interesting color. I don't see a lot of these colored Rotas anywhere really, and this was the last set available. So again, shout out to 18 Racing out in Hayward for getting these to me super quick and at a pretty reasonable price. So hope you liked the video. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. I love them. I don't know how many times I've said that in this video now, but I love these wheels. They look really good. But yeah, drop a comment down below. Hit us up on Instagram if you have any questions at the Curbside Podcast. Be safe, wash your hands, and peace. See you in the next one.